Well, happy September 1st, all you baby lock serger lovers. This is Glenda Marsh in Glen Rose, Texas. I'm very excited about this little project that was on the Baby Lock Education Team Facebook listing this week. I couldn't wait to try it out, and I wanted to share with you how this one looks. I have used some decorative threads to put this ruffle on the bottom of a little skirt, a size 2. It's actually, I thought it was going to be a halter top, but I cut it for a skirt. And I've used some decorative threads. So before I took my serger apart to seam up some seams, I wanted to show you this because how many of us use all 8 threads on our serger? And that's what this little technique is all about. Just to kind of go over my settings with you, I've used 2 decorative threads, and the suggestion, this is actually from Emily Carter. I've never had a chance to take a class from her, but this technique is wonderful. Her suggestion is to use your decorative threads in the cover stitch, and I've used a Wonderfill metallic with this, and I'm actually using the Superior thread stand because it seemed a puddle and I couldn't get it the way the ends are to work any other way. So I actually used theirs to bring over to where the cover stitch thread goes in. I'm also using a YLI Candlelight in the lower looper. She suggested using the fusible thread, the YLI fusible or any type of fusible thread in the lower looper, and it didn't make sense to me at first, so I changed to a regular thread, which she said you could also do. The rest of the threads in this 8 thread setup are all regular serger threads. So my settings, I did bypass, the Wonderfill is a little bit thicker, and so I did bypass the looper port and went right into the chain stitch with a thread cradle. Hopefully you guys have learned how to do that, but if anybody needs it, let me know. I'd love to show that. And then I just threaded the Candlelight. Actually, YLI Candlelight did actually go through the lower looper without any problem, and this is just a regular serger thread. And then again, I have used Oregon 9014 needles for this project just because Cover Stitch suggests that, and I've had very good luck with the ELX 705s, the 9014. Just using a regular maxi lock thread and an omni thread, which I do like that thread also from Superior. This technique is done with the gathering foot. The setup is a little bit different as far as putting your fabric in because you do want this decorative stitch to show. So this was my test piece. Originally I had used just a 12 weight in here. I didn't really like how that looks, so kind of changed it and tried the decorative metallic and liked it much better. So it's a great little project or technique. The settings were 4 on the stitch length and a 7.5 on the width. And again, I always double check, although I really used her settings. You can actually go to the Baby Lock Education Team Facebook page. They're at training. Look at their photos. You'll see kind of a brownish ruffle with a real thick, because it's a real close-up shot. She does give directions for that. So I hope this is helpful for you. I just love how this turned out with the ruffle showing on the skirt, the outside of the ruffle with these decorative threads. So you can see up close here. Okay, you guys have a great September. Thanks for watching.